Hi guys, you can now have this futuristic acrylic style on your Windows Start menu, your taskbar, and even on your File Explorer. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get this done in the easiest way possible. Now head on to the browser. Right here in windoc.net, I'm going to navigate down here and click on this download link. Now we're going to proceed to install this. Just click on that. Select OK, next. Click on finish. Now we have this Windoc interface. First of all, we're going to go here to explore, click on that. And first of all, we're going to go right here to this Windows 11 Start menu styler. Just click on details, then select install. Go ahead and install it. So we'll be going to the next one right here, which is taskbar height and icon size. Click on details. Select install. Install it. After installing that, we'll go back to explore. Now under Windows 11 taskbar styler, I'm going to click on details. Select install. After doing that, we'll go back to explore. Now under Windows 11 notification center styler, I'm going to select details. Click on that and install. So right here, we're going to proceed to the settings. Go ahead to settings. I'm going to drop this down here on the themes. Go right here, drop it down. We're going to select translucent shell. Proceed to save settings. If you minimize these for a while, navigate down here and see. Now you're going to see that we have this translucent notification center. And it's just the same around here. Go back to Windoc and we're going to go back to explore. Now under Windows 11 Start menu style, I will go to details. Proceed to advanced. So I have this file which I'll be providing the link in the description for you guys. I'm just going to minimize this. I'm going to extract this and open the Start menu. Then I'm going to copy everything we see right here. Highlight on everything. Copy. I'm going to X on this. Minimize this. I'm going to go back to Windoc. Here under Windows 11 Start menu styler, we're going to navigate down here to mod settings. I'm going to get rid of this one here. And I'm going to paste the one we just copied. Just paste it and save. So when I minimize this Windoc and I open the Start menu, now you can see that we have this beautiful looking Start menu, which is looking unique and pretty cool. There's one more thing we can do right here. Just right click on your desktop and go to personalize. Just click on start. Select folder. Now you're just going to enable some of these. File Explorer. You just leave document. Enable this, enable that, enable, and we don't need that. Just enable this. When we go back to the Start menu, for easy access, we have all these icons right here, which is pretty cool. Now we're done with the Start menu. We'll go back to this Windoc app, go to Explore. Now on the taskbar height and icon size, go to Details, and we're going to go to Advanced. Go back to the folder. Open this taskbar size mods. Copy everything here. Minimize. I'm going to go to this mod settings under this taskbar height and we're going to paste it right here and save. Select save. Now we notice a bit of changes right here in the taskbar and we're not done yet. We're going to go back to explore. Now proceed to taskbar styler. Go on to details and go to advanced. Go back to the folder. Now under taskbar mods, open this. I'm going to copy everything here. Copy. Just going to X on this. Minimize this. I'm going to paste this right here. And go on to save. Beautiful. Blur taskbar with these covered edges, but it's not looking pretty cool like I expect it to be. And now I'm going to show you how to make some changes right here. So I'm going to minimize this Windoc. I'm going to right click on this taskbar, go to taskbar settings. First of all, you can get rid of some of these apps. Just disable this task view widget. Now on the search box, expand this and go to search icon only. Click on that and I'm gonna X on this. Okay, now we can see we have a more attractive taskbar. Okay, and to make this look even more attractive, we're going to change this wallpaper. So I've downloaded this wallpaper already. I'm going to be leaving the link for you in the description. Let's proceed to highlight on it, right click on it, set as desktop background. Okay, this is looking beautiful. Just to make this even more special, we can add this blur effect to this file explorer. Currently, Windoc doesn't support this file explorer blur effect, so I'm going to show you another way to do that. We're going to go to our browser, and here in github.com we have Explorer Blur Mica. We're going to scroll down a bit here. We're going to go to this latest. Just click on latest. Scroll down again. I'm going to select the first one here, release x64. Click on that. Now proceed to the file location. Now here's the zip file we just downloaded. I'm going to extract this, right click on it and extract. Okay, so I'm going to take this folder, I'm going to cut it, I'm going to isolate these by going to this PC, Windows C. I'm going to paste it right here. Open this release folder, double click on register. Okay, now by the time you reopen your file explorer, you notice you have this blur effect. Apparently we don't have much of the blur effect, so we can adjust this by going back to the folder, go back to release folder and proceed to config. Now on the light, we're going to change this A to 120, change it to 120. Go up here to file and select save. X on this. Now I'm going to reopen this file explorer. Now as we can see, this blur effect is more obvious. And just in case you don't want this blur effect anymore, you can go back to this release folder and double click on this uninstall and delete the folder. That is all you have to do to remove this blur effect from your file explorer. So guys, I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, subscribe to this channel. Also turn on your notification so you get notified when I post content like this. Have a nice day and peace out.